Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your name in Left 4 Dead 2. Before we begin, your name in Left 4 Dead 2 is the same as your Steam profile name. So if you want to change your name in the game, you'll need to change your Steam profile name. Let's get started. First, open Steam. Click your current profile name. Then click View My Profile. Now click Edit Profile. Find the profile name field. Delete your current name. Then enter your new name. Scroll down and click Save. Now launch Left 4 Dead 2. Join any game. Your new name should now appear in game. If your old name is still showing, restart Steam. Then launch the game again. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.